Hi first grade friends, this is just a weekly update for the week of May 11th, 2020. First things first, we have finished our first week of Zoom meetings. We held a Zoom meeting on Tuesday and Thursday of last week for just our class, and there was a Wednesday meeting held for the entire first grade at Van Dyne. So this week I would like to see our Zoom meetings happening tomorrow, Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. and Thursday at 12:30 p.m. You will receive an invitation in the morning for that particular Zoom meeting. I need to get in touch with the first grade teachers to make sure that the Wednesday Zoom meeting is still happening. But if it is, you will receive, I've been doing the text message related to that Zoom meeting. This week, tomorrow, Tuesday, there's going to be a math lesson on Zoom. Thursday will be ELA, and the following week will switch. So next Tuesday will be ELA, and next Thursday will be math. Please bring something to write with when you come to the Zoom meetings, whether it's a paper and pencil or marker or colored pencil, or even a dry erase board and dry erase marker. Come prepared with something to write on. And if you're having trouble getting on the Zoom meetings, please reach out to me for help. If we look at our online learning, the district has said that we are using our online learning pieces to help with grades for the fourth marking period. So it's important that our students are getting onto these programs every day. More important than grades, though, is helping your child to be ready for second grade. We have missed a lot of learning this year, a lot of direct instruction in the classroom. And so this is not a fix-all, but it is one way to help us see where the kids are and then figure out where we're going to need to start with them at the beginning of second grade. So you log on to the Syracuse City School District webpage, log on to Clever. The three main programs that we are using in first grade are Imagine Learning, Dreambox, and Seesaw. So I know there are other programs on Clever for the students to use, but the three that first grade is tracking is Imagine Learning, Dreambox, and Seesaw. And again, if you have any trouble with the technology, please reach out to me for help. This past week, here is what we've seen online. Imagine Learning, we have 3 out of 19 students. Dreambox, 2 out of 19. Seesaw, 4 out of 19. And these Zoom meetings this past week have had 10 out of our 19 students participating. So hopefully each of these areas will increase for this week. And as always, remember, take it one day at a time, do what works for your family, and reach out to the teachers and the school for help. See you tomorrow on Zoom. Have a great week, friends.